Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome as well. My name is Dami, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my meal prep for the week. I did not track any calories or nutritional information because I just did not think it was necessary. However, if you think that is something you want, just go ahead and comment down below and I'll be sure to include that in my next videos. But without further ado, we're just gonna jump right into it and I will see you guys in the next one. So I'm gonna start by cutting my onions, my peppers, and my tomatoes. I put that into my blender and then I just blend it all together. This is what we're gonna use for the sauce. So just keep on watching. When that's done, I pour it into a pot. And then I turn on the heat and then I just leave it until all the water dries from the pepper and it looks like this. So it's basically dry. And then in a different pot, I put some oil. I use canola oil. And then I put some green peppers and onions and I, saute them until they're transparent. You know how that go? And then I put the dry pepper, remember from before? I put that in there. And then I put some tomato paste. This you can buy from any store, but it's just tomato paste. I put that into the mixture. That's what's gonna make it red. And then I just mix that all together. And then I season my food with different seasonings. I'm not gonna go through that, but you can see what I'm using on the screen. I do not eat unseasoned food because I cannot come and die because I'm trying to lose weight. It's not gonna happen. So my food is always very seasoned, almost over seasoned sometimes because that's just how I like it. And then I'm adding some chicken broth. You can buy it store-bought, but this is what I had at home. So I just used the one that I had previously. And then I just mix it all together, all the seasoning and the broth. And then I leave it to cook for a while. And then I add some dried fish. This is dried catfish. It's generally like a Nigerian thing. I don't know if other countries have it, but it's like dried catfish. You get it from Nigeria and then you bring it to Canada and you cook with it. And then I mix it all together. And then as you guys can see, I made spaghetti in a different pot separately. I didn't feel the need to show you guys me making spaghetti, but I made spaghetti. And then on the other hand, you can see that I'm making the sauce and I'm leaving it to simmer and just to get ready. And then I just kind of intuitively know when it's ready. And in my head, it's ready right now. So I just started putting the spaghetti and just mixing it all in together. If you find that your sauce is too dry and your spaghetti doesn't mix properly, then add water or stock, whatever you want. But my sauce was just fine. So I use a spoon and I go through the tedious task of mixing it together. It was a lot of work and really messy, but your girl did it. This is how it looks. I usually cover it up in the pot and then I just let it sit on the warming station in the back. I know it's in the front right now, but I put it in the back and I just let it sit. Now I'm gonna be making the chicken. So I have chicken, I put some pepper, some garlic powder, then I add some salt, then I add some curry, then I add some bouillon cubes or Maggi cubes, whatever you want to call it. Then I mix it all together and then I put it on a pan and put it in the oven. I just kind of like eye my stuff and make it intuitively. So I don't really have exact measurements for anything. I just go by my eyes and what I feel is right. I just put that in the oven and wait for it to get ready. And it's done. This is what it looks like. it looks ready to be eaten. So I take that out of the oven and I just let it rest for a while. And then I go ahead and steam some broccoli in a pot. I don't really do anything extra when I make my broccoli. I literally just make it with water and then that's it. And then now I plate it. So I'm gonna start by putting a generous amount of spaghetti into a bowl. I don't measure because I just could not be bothered. I just don't care. So I put it into a bowl. And then I add chicken, then broccoli. I just basically set up my bowl how I would eat it during the week. And then when the week is here, I take it out of the fridge and then I serve it up in a plate. And yeah, my meal prep is perfect. So yeah. And that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys liked it, please leave me a thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions you have down below and I will be sure to get right back to you. Make sure you follow my Snapchat, Instagram, all that shit. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.